Hey guys, welcome back. I already failed this recording like 2 times because the remote play on the Xbox app kinda sucks. Today, we're playing Phantom Forces again. Same way, my TV in front of me, Xbox One S. If the recording cuts out at any time, it's expected because it's freaking an Xbox app. And it's literally horrible at keeping up with anything. I hope that the quality is okay. I would see why not, but this is the Stevens DB. It's a semi-automatic or 2-round instant burst shotgun. And I'll put it in burst mode. I originally saw this on God Status's video. He did this not on console. You see, that is 1,000 damage for you. 1,000 damage shotgun. If this isn't broken, I don't know what is. Look at that. Suppressed him when I had over like 5,000. Guys, what you need to do, you got to purchase a Stevens DB and then you have to put flechette on it. That is an ammo type. And you see right there it says 28.80, I think, times 8. So I'm not going to do the math right there, but I think that's about like maybe 500. But you see, instant burst right below it. It's a 2-round instant burst, so I'll just do semi. 500 damage. Now watch this. 1,000 damage. So right now, I just think it's easier to put it on semi. We could do burst for like the first quarter of the video. Other quarter of the video, I just want to show you a less broken gun, but still okay nonetheless. AK-47 build that I made myself. So right now, I'm just going to try and scout the area. And since it is a sniper, like that, that should not happen, guys. This is a shotgun. I'm gonna put it on burst mode, just to be funny. 115 stud, one shot. This is absolutely horrible. Imagine like all like the kids just playing this game. Oh, I want to have fun playing a Roblox Call of Duty. I think that's a guy from. I think that's a guy from like the other day I played. I just want to have a fun. I just want to have a fun time. Since I'm not old enough to play Call of Duty, I will play Phantom Forces. And since I have an Xbox, I'll do it on my console. So I go into this game, and then I start off with an AK-12, a pretty good starter gun for a game. No, I give people hypothermia in the amount that I eat them whole with the 1,000 damage shotgun. Now you see, in order to use this nicely, you gotta actually be good with it. Which I am not. Until I unlock a nice like Z-Point or Coyote sight, I will remain to suck. You gotta be dead accurate though. That was an 82 damage kill. Or I mean, like a not kill. I didn't kill him. I did an assist on him. 82 damage from that range. Do you know how much that is? Unfreaking fair. Unfair. Unfair. Semi? We're going in semi here? Easy. Even hip fire's stupid. I thought that was my teammate because he wasn't shooting me. And I just thought that it was a rifle because it was that large. But then I found that it was a sniper when he killed me. That is bad. Nope, that's a teammate. Never mind. I got one guy out of all of them. Okay, anyway, guys, you see how dumb that this gun is already? Like, I've been recording for 5 minutes. Oh. Nah! I need to get a sniper lobby. I'll go until the end of this, and then maybe I can, like, try and snipe on Desert Storm with a shotgun. Never thought I'd be... Nice, dude. You see! That is just unfair. That is unfair on how good that this is. Let's do it on burst again. Where was he getting shot at from? You're an M60. He probably moved. He's doing the sneak jump thing. I suppressed him. I don't think that this is supposed to be as broken as it is. Turns out that it is broken, and I'm ruining children's dreams of becoming the best player in Phantom Forces console. I don't even see a lot of Phantom Forces console players. Like, I think the most popular Phantom Forces console player has like 6,000 subscribers. And from compared to what I have, that is a huge amount. I would not kill, but I would do a lot to get that much fame. Also, I only need about 700 more I only need 700 more subscribers to get paid on YouTube. So, I just figured, why don't you all pay me right now? That's why I need to do burst. Did he just teabag me? Oh, I take that as very rude. No one. That's a light. That's not a person. Once I actually get attachments, I'll be really baller with this. That spread is really good. I hate getting up here. I thought he was moving. He was, but then he saw me. I'm doing horrible with this. I'm 10 and 9. That's the way. You have to LB jump it. Jeez, kid. Did you pick up my gun? He's probably seen it cross map, nerds. And he's like, ooh. If you ever see me in a lobby, don't pick up my gun. I hate it. It's basically just admitting that I have something better than you. And then I get happy. Well, kind of get both. Because, Forgot I can't deploy. I will. Yes. Nah, dunes, come on. Come on, guys. Don't you like dunes? Pay respects to the dunes. Give me some dunes. We're not gonna get dunes. I never understood what this is. That's a lot of Bobucks for all the credits. I'm gonna go burst just because it's supposed to be a long range map. I actually got this map like the first time that I've also, guys, I got brass knuckles on the what's it called? I got it on the meme case. I think that was what it was. The meme 1, because the meme 2 never gave me anything. I've only gotten commons out of the meme 2, but the meme 1... Whoo, sheesh! Meme 1 got nothing on the meme 2. Meme 2 is, like, so bad. Look behind you. Yeah, as soon as they see me, they're like, blam, you're dead. That was confusing. How many am I at? I'm at 11. I should get the Z point. What the heck? There we go. Let's just noob build this. 2 flashlights. I think someone's coming down here. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Ha ha ha! Get shotgun. I mean, sniped. Sniped, I think, is the right way to put... Soggy toast? Ew. I'm gonna go semi here because I feel as if I mess up once, I mess up the whole thing. Hi. Hi. Turbo Boy 2323. Okay, guys, I feel like the players in Phantom Forces, they made their accounts so long ago, but then they have like a really good account. No! That only did like... I can't do math. I'm heartbroken and brain broken. Let's put it in burst. I hear enemy footsteps. There he is. Come back here, buddy. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Come back here, boy. Guess I'm gonna burst it. No! I'm so bad! Did he, like, team wipe? No, let me get it. Let me get it. There we go. It gives me points if I get it. That's why I want to get it. I'm bursting here. There we go. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. I hate it. I hate it. Chicken poople? What's a poople? Oh! There's 2. No! Oh god. This is really making me scared. Soon as I saw that grenade, my life was over. Pelvis. That's not good. I gotta show that I'm worth something. Well, I'm not worth something if I use a shotgun, but get what I mean. Oh no! Come on. No! That was so close! Score 22. Pop it. Yes! I can't breathe. That was so sick. I think my mouth just made weird sounds when I... Okay, I thought I was falling to my death there. Didn't look too great for me. But I promised you guys, I'm not that unskilled. I'm going semi here. Five more, and then I'll be done. What are you doing, kid? He's just sitting there. Okay, sorry. I will give you the kill. Oh, I love this. I love it. I love it. Best shotgun. Maybe. I mean, most toxic shotgun, definitely. But I'd still say that the best shotgun's the AA-12, even though that's dumb. That shouldn't be able to. Where'd you go? Kronkus. Kronkus. Semi. No one's coming. At least I didn't see anyone. Gonna try and do a self-capture, even though that they're pretty hard and they're pretty rare to get. Never mind, I already did it. Too bad for the other team. If no one's up here, I'm gonna try and burst. Well. No! I'm bad. How long? 17 minutes. This time flies. I love this gun. I love it. Oh, why ruins? I guess this ruined my chances. Ah! Is that a pistol? Ew. Looks like if the Cookie Monster just vomited on a pistol. And now we wait. I'm going in semi now. Thank you. No! I gotta be dead accurate with this, or else it's just gonna do nothing. And I guess that's really the only bad part about this. It does kind of get annoying after a while, like, that you... It falls under the syndrome of it should be better than it says it is. But, like, again, I'm not a skilled 100% amazing player. I'm kind of, I'd say, a tiny bit above average. No, no, I'm trash. I'm just horrible at this game. Like, there is no one worse than me. Look at this beauty. I forgot you can all aim this. I totally forgot. This is what I'm gonna do all the time now. I am so dumb. Anyone want to feed me? Feed me their organs. Come here. After this life, I'm gonna go to my AK. What? Where? They will die. I'll follow this dude. He seems pretty smart. Ah! You ruined it. Why? This guy literally named Fortnite. Dumb name. Bad. 8-year-old. Oh. Ruins is a horrible map. Get shotgunned. Or sniped. Get sniper shotgunned. I think if Shotgun Farmers is this, it should be named Sniper Farmers. Glizzy! No. You aren't going to take him that easy. No! I don't think the alt aim's really doing enough for me. Nah. No! It's not even close to as snipey as I thought it was. Never mind. I got him from 200 studs. I only got him for 60. No, 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 no. I still want to stick to this. Fine, I'll do the AK. Not the AUG, the AK. Here we go. Okay, now I'm going to show you how good this is. Before, it was like a 4-year-old trying to train you how to shoot a firearm. But no. Now, it's a 20-year-old training you. Or still a 4-year-old. Where, dude? It was from behind. You can't all aim on this. Guess I don't really... Stop spawning on me. I know I can turn it off, but sometimes I want the points. Easy. I'm turning that volume up. I cannot hear crap. Okay, shots from over there. And up there. I can hear an enemy footstep. Probably in here. Oh, mini-map's going off. Think I'm on to something? Scooby-Doo time? Come on, Scoob. No. That's a gun. Imagine. Imagine. Don't worry, broski. I will carry you. Only LMG should be able to do that. And my OP shotgun. If you think about it, my shotgun is so accurate that if you don't hit a nice shot, it's technically balanced because it's neither good nor bad. Go away, dude. No one wants to see your head. Your big Roblox square. Or maybe circular head. I don't know. I call hacks. Get a helicopter and fly all the way to Paris. $27 minutes. My goal is to make it like another long one like last time. Hey, you. Ah! Ah! There we go. I'm safe for now. I'm not really safe. What? Ah, this is still my Desert Eagle. Ah. Yeah, let's go back to the shotgun. I think you all know what... Okay, now, serious talk, AK-47, if you have the right attachments on it, here's what I run. It's on my side. Coyote sight, muzzle brake folding, blue laser, and no ammo. If I had the choice, I'll probably do, hollow point. I just don't want to buy it. But with this, freaking Stevens. What's the point? What is the point? Correct, there is no point. Except for hollow point. Come here, dude. I'm such a bad player. Let's go burst. Burst time? How about I just not play this game anymore since of how bad I am? Thank God that was a friendly grenade. I would have raged. Wow, who would have ever guessed there's an OP shotgun in Phantom Forces? I think even the Remington can one-shot from there. Even though that was a teammate, I'm still scared. I need to go into semi. I actually want to try and get another kill with a semi on.